Enjoy a fast and fun floor cleaning experience. The EasyWring Spin Mop, which features hands-free wringing thanks to our foot pedal spin mop design. The foot pedal on the bucket allows for hands-free wringing, so you have less mess when mopping. Control the level of moisture of your mop with the built-in high-quality foot pedal designed to activate spin wringing.
Hands-free wringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing, while Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The EasyWring Microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber. O-Cedar's EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl and more. Reaches in corners. Due to the patented triangle mop head and ability to rotate 360 degrees, the EasyWring mop can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between tile. 1 refill equals 3 months of cleaning. This offer includes 1 EasyWring refill, and each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. Save time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. Handle extends fully to 48 inches, with a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches. Anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. Clean better with a microfiber mop. Our streak-free microfiber mops easily attracts and locks in dirt, dust, pet hair, grime, dried on or sticky messes better than a traditional cotton wet mop. It can be used wet or dry for mopping or dusting.